Hi everyone, I'm Meg Souza, and this paper is part of my ongoing PhD research at eCAADe University Institute of Lisbon. We chose this title for the paper, Pattern-Driven Design for Small Public Spaces, an Analysis of Pattern Books and Toolboxes, motivated by the importance of research in urban spatial patterns nowadays. Beyond the old notions of design patterns, we can look also for the digital design approaches, with toolboxes and toolkits for urban planning today, together of pattern books. Concepts and theories from different years can be placed like pattern systems. One of the most significant works about that was the book A Pattern Language, written by Christopher Alexander in 1977. With a typical structure to show the 253 patterns. This pattern book format is still presented, but with new concepts and situations, like the book A New Pattern Language for Growing Regions, Places, Network, and Process, using the same structure of the book A Pattern Language. Another urban systems presented like toolkits and toolboxes are Urban Elements, developed by FCL Future Cities Laboratory from Singapore in 2018. The Urban Toolbox from the Finnish of Sofia, designed for Seinäjoki City Center in the last year. And the Health Urbanization Toolbox from the Dutch of Sipoza for the urban development of Utrecht City in 2015. With the emergence of digital design, the systemic character of contemporary urban planning, and the growing volume of information available to architects and planners, some new urban agenda appear. Explicit process based on data, smart cities, information and communication technologies, and digital participation are some of the contents possible for the patterns discussion nowadays. The proposed methodology is the construction of a taxonomy that relates and classifies just those patterns for small public spaces, from each 5 pattern systems. The selection of the corpus was based on pillars, a sufficient number of systems which could represent diversity, works developed in different years, countries, formats, and authorship of architecture offices, research laboratories, and theoretical authors. Taxonomy seeks to classify and relate. Classification is based on 3 topics: work, type, and driving design, and the relate is about recurrence of patterns between systems. In the work class, it's possible to visualize the group with the largest number of patterns compatible with the proposed scale, small public spaces. The system, a pattern language, has the larger number and the set urban element has the smaller. But it's necessary to consider that the urban elements have a system script that allows create new urban patterns. The type class was divided into 4 subdivisions: location, behavior, process, and design components. The larger volume of location patterns may indicate a common effort by systems to present the relations between components, without intending to treat the component designs themselves. The lower volume in process patterns can indicate an aspect low explored by the systems and can be improved. The driving design class was divided in 3: data, performance, and material. The patterns accumulation in data-driven design indicates the potential of this approach, but it also related to break meaning of the term. Then, we need to understand which kind of data is truly useful for city planning. The low concentration is material-driven design also indicates a field can be more incorporated into toolboxes and pattern books. With this taxonomy, it was possible to visualize which patterns are most repeated and the most recurring questions. Those ones referred to sidewalks and walkability in the streets were the most recurrent. After, we can see recurrences in pattern related with qualities of outdoor public space, urban vegetable gardens, cultural and local sports spaces. We can conclude that taxonomies can help the manipulation, difficult task to do using just books or infographics. The main contribution is relating these different pattern systems and indicating what can be developed. We need to be careful by using patterns because they can't be discontextualized from the local reality and the complex reality of the cities. And as future steps, we need to incorporate more systems into this taxonomy and new digital tools. Thank you.